You're probably looking for a very special property and you need an advanced search capability in order to do that, just like realtors do. There's hidden fields usually, and all the portals, they don't give you these fields, but My Buying Buddy, we give you all those fields, and I'm gonna dive in right now and show you how to do an advanced search. You can find the advanced search menu under Find a Home, and when you click advanced search, it will open up a search field, the standard fields that you would find in most online property searches. But when you click show me more options, that's where My Buying Buddy gives you the advantage. All these extra MLS fields are suddenly available, and that is what will allow you to narrow your search to exactly the features that you are looking for. So when you want a very advanced search, very specific, you can use these advanced tools to narrow your search. And you're not limited to one search. With us, you can have an unlimited number of saved searches, so you can be very specialized and have different searches in different cities for different criteria, one for your dream home, one for investment property, whatever your heart desires. We give you unlimited ability to search. I'm going to show you one very important field that you need to pay attention to when you're doing your searches, and that field is the property substatus field, because when you're searching for properties, you see here we have 250 3-bedroom, 2-bath homes found. But when you go to the property substatus and you put in none, look how that number changes to 149. That's because the way Iris MLS works is when they have a property substatus called backup, active backup. Well, active backup are actually under contract, and there's 98 properties under contract. Those are not the ones you're trying to find. You're trying to find all the active ones. So in the property substatus, make sure that you select none so that you're only looking at the active listings. When you click on View Results, the default is this list view like this. You can easily change that to a grid view. You can sort it in different ways. You can save searches and get email alerts. And you don't need to go back to the advanced search menu. You can click on New Search or Modify Search. If you click Modify, it'll go in here, and you can click Show More Options, and you have access to all the MLS fields that you were using. If you just click New Search, it would go to that same place. But if you want to modify that search and not lose all your criteria, then use Modify. When you view the results, you scroll down, and if you want to drill down and see more details on a house, you click on that property and it'll open up. And if you like that one, you want to save it as a favorite property. Give it a star rating, and then enter some specific notes, what you like about that property, or a question you want to ask about that property, and then save it. Now, to save properties, you're going to need to be logged in, so make sure you're logged in, and then it'll save it successfully just like that. Now that you know how to get to those hidden fields and do advanced searches, you can set up unlimited number of searches. You can search for special properties in one category, in one city, and another. You can have 10 different searches set up, as many as you want. So give it a try and find out how good our advanced search really is.